Roman Reigns versus Seth Rollins, which are two superstar clash between the tellers of the story. Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins. There are two Merrick's players of WWE known for their sheer combat skill and wrestling prowess. Both players are still actively working for the company and have already been making headlines for their WWE Raw and Royal Rumble appearance. Roman Reigns has recently made the headlines when he returned to WWE on the March of 10th episode on Monday Night Raw. The OTC has joined the steel cage match between the Seth Rollins and CM Punk, held in the Madison Square Garden in New York. Reigns took everyone as surprise when he entering during the feud of the Punk. This is the match in which the Jacob Fatu and Solo Sikoa is also fight between them, also having their relations like cousins and brother, but there are the biggest fight ever. And have a look on the point where the Seth Rollins and CM Punk is also concluded. So guys, here this is longest matter ever, and I found here that this is never recognizable. In the wrestling, the height of the wrestle players a significant role in which जहाँ पे influence in the ring and performance after the trajectory of the career. The attribute matters due to the wrestling toy. Storyline influence the longevity and even injury risk. According to report, Seth Rollins, Frankie Rollins, which approximately 185, where Roman Reigns scales about 6 feet 3 inches, which is approximately 191 centimeter. This implies that Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins are almost similar height, but Roman Reigns 3 inches is taller than Seth Rollins. Out of two players, this is the biggest match ever. I could not justify that this ever happened. The Rock scales 6 feet and 5 inches ever. What is head of Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns at WrestleMania? As CM Punk eliminated Seth Rollins and CM Punk is also acted as Roman Reigns so that we can also chat it with the page of the OTC and Monday Night Raw so that we can also shout for revenge at the WWE Championship. This is the feud giving to the impossible hint ever which I found and look on the triple thrillite matches ever I could, and there should be enough to convert the matches. Paul Heyman might be shouting off the Paul Heyman guys, which could be visionary and Seth Rollins build up on WrestleMania. The March 10th, 2025 edition of WWE which is most probably the dramatic and ever, which I found that regimes has been doing so far. They can choose to have Paul Hammond end, so long-term association with Roman Reigns and align with the new guys. That could be supported by Seth Rollins, and there are the three reasons of why they can happen. Triple H have creative resume have already hinted at the potential split between Roman Reigns and Paul Heyman. As seen during the match last week, Paul Heyman was seen adding CM Punk after the steel cage match.